Yo, what's up guys? It's taking me so long to come round today, man. I'm gonna take you up and go have a look at the soundproofing. Did that yesterday, it's had some time to dry. Got rest of my blue screen, painted out. Oh, I'm just chilling for a bit, watching some TV. This is the yard. This is the yard. See, look, it's more. Hello. Oh, right, here we go, guys. Oh, yeah. Right, yeah. Ciao. Yes, guys, what is good? Marky from the OPNation, just chilling. I'm going to be putting some soundproofing on this back wall with my noise board. Big shout out to Brett Dobson, top donated to my other channel, OP Gamers. If any of you guys want to go check that out, I'll be leaving links in the description below. Right, here we go, guys, getting on it. For this sexy little life hack, you're going to need some PVA glue and a hell of a lot of egg boxes. Make sure you got the homeowner's permission before doing this, guys. I don't want nobody's mum coming raging at me. You want to mix the glue and the water up until you got like a paste, and then start slapping it on the wall and leave it to dry for a little while. I'd also bang down an old sheet or something so you're not getting glue everywhere. Alright guys, just slapping a bit of PVA and water just on the wall and letting it dry for a little bit. Getting on it, yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm just pasting a wall again and behind the crates before I stick them on. I'd recommend banging up 2 layers so the soundproofing's much more effective and you'll get a better quality when you're trying to condense the sound. Reduce your echo and give you a quality crisp audio for when you're recording. And then you want to tack it in place. Once you got a second layer tacked on, fill in the edges of the egg boxes with PVA glue to seal it as much as possible. I think I went a bit OCD with this one, but if you're going to do something, you may as well do it properly. And I may as well make the OP headquarters as sexy as possible. And again, keep it clean, a sock for drips and a sheet for splashback. Nah, I'm messing it, guys. Just put a sheet down or something so you're not getting glue all over your floor. Ciao! Well, that's good, guys. Now I'm just trimming up. You're just trimming up some bits to go along bottom and alongside there. I've got a mattress on bottom there, which I'm going to put a blue sheet over as well. But I don't need a soundproof for bottom because obviously. Realistically, you don't want any gaps, or you want to seal any gaps. but you can't expect it to be perfect because it's just a low budget setup. If you're wanting it soundproofing to record vocals, you're better off boxing it off and creating a booth so it's easier to track the sound. But for a gaming setup, it's ideal to have a section behind your mic and a big section on the wall where the sound's going to be directed. So if you put the egg cartons in the affected areas, you can cushion the sound and cancel out any echo in the room. But I've got quite a small room, so the sound would just be bouncing off everywhere, so I decided to fill one full wall and part wall in front of my mic, and this back wall where my notice board is. Again, it all depends on the size of your room and what you want it to record, the type of microphone you're using and the acoustics in the room. Ciao. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just chilling on this side. I've only got the one piece on this side, so the mic bounces straight back off. That's about it. Thank you very much for joining us. Big shout out to you all. Peace. Just about ready to get cracking. Getting on the stream. Yes, yes, YouTubers. With go with me, Marky. Ciao. Yes, yes, guys. If you're still watching the video, code word Basil. Shout in the comment section. I'll know your OP hype, man. Hook you up. A little cheeky Easter egg for you guys. Ooh, ooh, see kitty, kitty, Alright guys, I'd just like to thank you for watching. As always, if you rate the content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Peace.
Hey, do you want a balloon?